In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide bottom bar zoom. If you've ever shared your screen or presented and felt the meeting controls getting in the way, this quick walkthrough will help you clear your view and keep the focus on your content. First, open the Zoom desktop app and join or start a meeting. This option only appears while you're actually in a live meeting, so make sure you're connected before moving on. Once you're in, look for the floating meeting toolbar. Depending on your layout, it may sit at the top or bottom of your screen. If you don't see it right away, gently move your mouse and it should appear. Next, find the More menu on that toolbar. It looks like 3 dots and may also be labeled More. This is where Zoom keeps a handful of additional controls that don't fit directly on the main bar. Give that 3-dot icon a click to open the menu. From the menu that appears, click on Hide Floating Meeting Controls. The moment you select this, the bottom bar will disappear from view, giving you a cleaner, distraction-free screen. This is especially helpful when you're sharing slides, demonstrating software, or recording